Remote work has become a defining feature of modern employment, and in India, it's transforming how we think about work and productivity. Once considered a luxury for a few, remote work is now a necessity that has reshaped the workplace landscape. While the pandemic accelerated its adoption, it has also sparked important discussions about the future of work in a country as diverse and dynamic as India. In this video, we'll explore the opportunities, challenges, and innovations driving the future of remote work in India. The shift to remote work has challenged traditional notions of the workplace. In India, where office culture often emphasized physical presence, this shift marks a significant cultural change. Many companies are now embracing hybrid work models, where employees divide their time between home and the office. This approach allows businesses to maintain in-person collaboration while giving employees the flexibility to work from wherever they are most productive. For employees, this flexibility has become a critical factor in job satisfaction, especially in India's fast-paced cities, where commuting can be time-consuming and exhausting. One of the biggest benefits of remote work in India is the ability to work from anywhere. This has opened up opportunities for people in smaller towns and rural areas to access jobs in major metropolitan companies without relocating. It's also helping organizations tap into a larger talent pool, allowing them to find the best candidates regardless of location. For professionals, this means reduced living costs, the possibility of living closer to family, and the chance to maintain a better work-life balance. However, remote work in India comes with its own set of challenges. Many employees struggle with maintaining boundaries between their personal and professional lives, especially in joint family setups or smaller homes where dedicated workspaces are hard to come by. The always-on culture, where employees feel the need to be constantly available, can lead to burnout and mental health concerns. Employers need to address these issues by promoting balance and providing resources to help employees manage their time effectively. Another significant challenge is the digital divide. While urban centers have access to reliable internet and technology, many rural areas still face connectivity issues, making remote work difficult for some. To address this, the government and private sector need to invest in better infrastructure, ensuring equal access to remote work opportunities across the country. Initiatives to provide affordable internet and laptops for professionals in underserved areas can go a long way in bridging this gap. On the bright side, remote work is driving innovation in technology and collaboration tools. In India, platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Slack are widely used to facilitate virtual meetings, team communication, and project management. The next wave of innovation may include AI-powered tools for productivity tracking, immersive technologies like virtual reality for meetings, and regional language interfaces to make these tools more accessible. The rise of remote work is also influencing India's real estate sector. With fewer people commuting daily, demand for office spaces in city centers is changing. Many companies are opting for smaller, more flexible office setups or co-working spaces for occasional in-person meetings. At the same time, there's a growing interest in suburban and Tier 2 cities, where people are looking to buy homes that offer more space and a better quality of life. From an economic perspective, remote work has the potential to create a more inclusive workforce in India. It allows more women to participate in the workforce by eliminating commuting challenges and providing flexibility to balance professional and domestic responsibilities. Similarly, it enables people with disabilities to access opportunities without facing the physical barriers of traditional offices. Indian companies are also rethinking how they approach employee engagement in remote settings. Virtual town halls, online team-building activities, and recognition programs are becoming common. Some organizations are even providing wellness programs, mental health support, and stipends for setting up home offices. These initiatives are vital for keeping employees motivated and connected, even when working apart. Education and upskilling will also play a crucial role in the future of remote work in India. Professionals must adapt to digital tools and remote work etiquette, while companies should invest in training programs to ensure their teams are well prepared for a remote-first environment. Additionally, the government and policymakers must address issues like remote work tax policies, labor laws, and employee benefits to support this evolving work culture. Finally, remote work is changing the way Indian leaders manage their teams. In a remote setting, trust and communication become more important than ever. Leaders must focus on clear goal setting, regular check-ins, and providing feedback to maintain a strong sense of direction and connection within their teams. Building a positive organizational culture in a virtual environment requires intentional effort, whether through transparent decision-making or celebrating team achievements. In conclusion, the future of remote work in India is filled with opportunities and challenges. It's a shift that requires businesses, employees, and policymakers to rethink traditional norms and adapt to a more flexible, inclusive, and innovative work culture. By embracing these changes, we can create a work environment that prioritizes productivity, well-being, and opportunity for everyone. Remote work is not just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping the way we live and work in India.